Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your location on Shein. This is how to do it. Open the app, click on me at the bottom right corner. Now click on settings, the gear icon at the top right corner. And here you can click on location. You can choose to change any location you want. Let's say for example, let's click on US. It said, dear customer, your data is collected independently on NG website and will not be shared with other websites. After switching, you need to log in again or register a new account. Please confirm if you would like to continue to visit the US website. When you click on continue to visit, your location will be changed. So that's how you change your location on Shein. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.